Imagine waking up in a world where Earth is not a globe, but a vast flat expanse stretching endlessly in all directions. The horizon is a straight, unwavering line, and there is no curve to the land or sea. Sunrises and sunsets do not arch across the sky, but instead slide laterally, casting long, strange shadows. Gravity is different here. Instead of pulling toward a center, it presses downward, uniform and unyielding, as if the entire plane is being pushed from below. Oceans spill outward, held in by colossal ice walls or sheer cliffs, and the familiar rhythms of tides and seasons are subtly altered. This is not simply a change in geography, but a reinvention of reality itself. Everything from the way water flows, to how we navigate, to how day and night unfold, is fundamentally transformed. With the Earth as a flat plane, centuries of scientific understanding unravel and reform. Navigation by compass and star charts becomes unreliable, as the North Star no longer serves as a central pivot in the night sky. Air travel is revolutionized. Pilots fly in straight lines that do not wrap around a sphere, and the concept of circumnavigation becomes obsolete. Meteorologists scramble to explain weather patterns as wind and ocean currents move differently across a limitless surface. Space agencies face an existential crisis. Rockets launched upward do not enter orbit as before. Instead, they confront the impenetrable mystery of the sky's limits. The very notion of physics, how gravity works, how light bends, how time zones function, requires complete reinvention. Scientists are both exhilarated and bewildered, tasked with rebuilding a model of the universe from the ground up. The existence of an edge to the world becomes the greatest mystery and most perilous frontier. Adventurers, researchers, and the simply curious undertake treacherous journeys to the fabled boundary, whether it is a wall of ice, an endless waterfall, or a shimmering void. Governments and corporations race to claim, guard, or exploit the edge, building massive outposts and research stations. Myths and legends arise about what lies beyond. Some believe in hidden lands, others in oblivion. The edge becomes a place of pilgrimage, debate, and danger. Meanwhile, the psychological impact on humanity is profound. Children grow up with maps that have ends, and the concept of beyond is forever changed. The edge is both a literal and metaphorical limit, shaping art, philosophy, and the collective imagination. Civilization adapts to the flat world in unexpected ways. Time zones are redrawn as the sun's path moves laterally instead of in an arc, creating strange patterns of daylight and darkness at different distances from the center. Global travel and trade routes are reshaped. Cities nearest the center become vital hubs, while those at the periphery grow isolated or fiercely independent. Cultural identities shift. The center and the edge become powerful metaphors for privilege, opportunity, and mystery. Religions reinterpret ancient texts in light of the new cosmic architecture, and political boundaries are redrawn to reflect the unique geography. Education transforms as children learn a new cosmology, one where the world has limits and the sky is a ceiling, not a boundless expanse. Art, literature, and music all reflect the new reality, exploring themes of boundary, direction, and the infinite plane. As decades and centuries pass, the flat Earth shapes humanity's destiny in ways both wondrous and unsettling. With no globe to encircle, exploration turns inward and outward. Cities sprawl endlessly, and the search for resources becomes a journey to the ever-distant periphery. Astronomy is forever changed. Without a sphere to orbit, the relationship with the stars, the moon, and other planets is reinterpreted, perhaps revealing new cosmic mysteries or limitations. The sciences evolve along different pathways, yielding technologies and philosophies we can scarcely imagine. Some dream of breaching the edge, while others turn their gaze to the sky's mysterious ceiling, seeking answers about the true nature of the cosmos. The question of what lies beyond, edge or infinity, barrier or bridge, remains the greatest adventure, inspiring generations to come.